Hi, my name is David. I'm with Republic Manufacturing, and today I have with me Matt Gretz from our Colorado office. And I understand that we were contacted by a customer for a pretty unique application. Matt, can you tell me more about that?
Yeah, we had a customer reach out to us from northern Alberta, where they're actually blowing off sulfur from a conveyor belt to prevent buildup in Arctic conditions. Behind us here, we've got our enclosure with our KP-HRC 900 in it, with a few modifications that we did.
So Matt, what are some of those modifications that we made to this enclosure for those conditions?
Well, we can go take a look. So over here, we've got an adjustable temperature controller for the fans during summertime. And on the back side here, we've added an adjustable heater for the motor and bearings. That way we can keep temperatures at a healthy level for those Arctic conditions.
Great. So as you guys can see, we can adapt some of our equipment to some really extreme conditions. So if you guys have any questions or need any equipment like this, please contact our Republic Dallas office or our Republic Denver office, and we'll be more glad to help you guys out with the quote.